Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to discuss an amazing trick to solve some of the most important models from work, energy and power. Alright, so let's read the question. If the linear momentum of the body increases by 20%, okay, if the linear momentum of the body increases by 20%, what will be the percentage increase in kinetic energy of the body? So here they have given us the linear momentum and they are asking us to find the percentage increase in kinetic energy. How you will calculate the percentage change in kinetic energy? You will be doing some long calculations like final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy by final kinetic energy into 100. So if you go on with that method, almost it will take 4 to 5 minutes, and 4 to 5 minutes are very precious in examination, right? So in order to solve this type of models in a very quick manner, so I'm going to discuss a shortcut trick with you all. Okay, let us discuss the short trick. Okay, this is the short trick. Now tell me, what is the area of a rectangle? Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. You might be thinking, in order to discuss the shortcut trick for this type of question, why I'm asking you the area of the rectangle? Because to make you understand the shortcut trick for this problem, okay, for this type of models, to make you understand the shortcut trick, first of all I'll be using this shortcut trick on this type of examples. Okay, when I discuss with this type of example, then you can understand the shortcut trick in a better way, and if you understand the shortcut trick in a better way, you can solve the type of questions in just 3 to 4 seconds. Just by seeing it you can solve. Okay, now let us take a question. Okay, if length increases by 10%, here I'm talking about a rectangle, and breadth increases by 30%. Now they'll ask you, find percentage increase in area. Okay, percentage increase in area. Now how to find the percentage increase in area? Here comes the shortcut trick. Now we know that area is equal to length into breadth. Now the shortcut trick how we have to write is length plus breadth plus length into breadth by 10 into 10. This is the shortcut trick. Now do one thing, just substitute the percentage given in these values, I mean in these expressions. In just few seconds you can get the answer for this. Let us take another example. We know that the volume of cuboid, what is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Am I right? Now the same question in the similar manner, if they ask you if length increases or decreases by 10%, breadth by some 30% and height by 20, 30, whatever it may be, if they give you the percentage of length, breadth, height, and if they ask you the percentage increase or decrease in volume of the cuboid, how you will write volume of percentage increase or decrease in volume of cuboid? How to write the formula? See, for length into breadth I wrote in this manner. For length into breadth into height, I will be writing length plus breadth plus height plus length into breadth into height by 10 into 10 into 10. देखिए जितने भी क्वांटिटीज न्यूमरेटर में होते हैं, बस उतने ही क्वांटिटीज आप 10 डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. यहाँ दो लेंथ और ब्रेथ, दो क्वांटिटीज न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई किए गए हैं, इसीलिए 10 और 10 दो बार डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कीजिए, आंसर पा लीजिए. इज एज सिंपल एज इट इज. सो विद दिस मैनर, विद दिस ट्रिक, you can solve this type of questions in a very simple manner. Okay, in a few seconds you can solve. The last example, okay, this is very important example. Now we know area of circle. What is the area of the circle? Area of circle, what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Now if they ask you a question, suppose let radius increases by 5%, okay, find percentage increase or decrease in area. This is the question they are asking. Now let us solve this question. How to solve? See, actually area is equal to pi r square. Here the power is 1, here power is 2. Now do one thing, pi r into r, just split this r into r. Now write this formula in this manner, but remember pi is a constant, so we will not include this pi in our shortcut trick formula. Okay, percentage increase or decrease in area can be written as R plus R plus R into R. Two quantities in the numerator, so multiply 2 times 10 in the denominator. Substitute the values. How much percentage they have given? 5 plus 5 plus 5 into 5 by 10 into 10. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus this is 25. Find 5 5 is the 25 by 100. What will be the answer? 10 plus 0.25. So 10.25% change in area. You got the answer. See? Okay. Now the same trick if you apply for this question. First of all, let us derive the relation between kinetic energy and momentum. What is relation between kinetic energy and momentum? Kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2m. With this, we can conclude that kinetic energy is directly proportional to P square. See here. Here area was proportional to R square. So we wrote this proportionality in this manner. Now here kinetic energy is also proportional to P square, momentum's square. So for change in percentage of kinetic energy also, change in kinetic energy also we will be writing in this manner. P plus P plus P into P by 10 into 10. What is P? P is linear momentum. Okay, P is linear momentum. Now substitute what is P. What they have given P is the linear momentum. Linear momentum of the body increases by 20%. They are asking percentage increase in kinetic energy. Percentage increase in kinetic energy, whatever it may be. Okay, what is the value of P? 20. Okay, 20 plus 20 plus 20 into 20 by 10 into 10. This is 40 plus 20 into 20, 400 by, cancel this 0, double 0. What will be the answer? 44% change in kinetic energy, or 44% increase in kinetic energy. Alright, now as I told, if you solve this problem with normal method, you will take 4 to 5 minutes, but with this method, shortcut trick, you can solve this problem in just 3 to 4 seconds. By constant practice, you can solve this type of question just by seeing only. What to do? Just substitute the values in this and simple calculation. In mind itself, you can calculate it and you can take the answer. Alright, so in the next video, I will be discussing a part 2 of this models. I mean part 2 of this trick. So stay tuned, do watch the next video. I'll provide the link for that video in the description box. Do watch that video. Thank you for watching.